celebrate the 26th of January, our Republic Day. It was on this day in 1950 that the Constitution India came into force and our country became a republic. This day reminds us of the great leaders and freedom fighters who worked hard to give us our rights and freedom. Republic Day also teaches us the importance of unity. India is a country of many cultures, languages and traditions, yet we all stand together as one nation. This day encourages us to respect each other and live in harmony. When we stay united, our country becomes stronger and more peaceful. We should always remember their sacrifices and try to follow the values they taught us as students. It is our duty to study well, respect our elders, be responsible citizens. We must keep our surroundings clean, help others and always speak the truth. Let us take a pledge today to make our country proud through our good action. Republic Day is not just a celebration but also a reminder of our duties toward our nation. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you one and all.